Hey guys, I'm Riley, and I'm in Whitmer's Auto Tech, and I am here to interview Mr. Brower about an automotive career. Let's go and interview him right now. Hey, how you doing? I'm Riley.
How you doing, Riley?
I'm interested in a career in automotive. I have some questions I could ask you.
Sure.
What are some skills I would expect to learn while taking the course?
You got to be good with your hands and your hand-eye coordination. You learn nuts and bolts, you learn gaskets, you learn heating and air, you learn plumbing, you learn all kinds of fuel and electronic systems. He's just doing a set of tail lights on this car. There's all different kinds of work that we do. Putting new tail lights in this one, and a little upgrade for it.
What kind of qualities would you look for in an employee?
Somebody that gets along with others, because we're always collaborating with the other technicians in the shop as help and stuff like that. Somebody that likes to have fun at work. There's a lot of fun in shops, there's a lot of joking going on, and a day of accomplishment. We know we have to get the work done. We know that it's our job to repair the cars and stuff like that. So we look for somebody that can handle that and fit in well with that group.
What does a typical day look like as an auto mechanic?
Well, you go to work, you pull a couple jobs, you pull them in, you inspect them, you wait for the approval. Once the approval comes in, you start working on the car. You try to get as much done as you can in a day. Technicians are usually paid on a flat rate or some type of bonus salary, so the faster you can work, the more you do. So you gotta get your head under there and take a peek. If the inside's shiny like that, we're done. The inside's not shiny, we'll do one more time. A lot of these are student cars, things like that they can do all kinds of different things.
What amount of money would I expect to make in this type of career?
Entry-level technicians probably make around $50,000 a year, with master technicians making well over $100,000 now. The nice thing about that is we're recession-proof and we can't be outsourced. You cannot send your cars out of state, out of country to be repaired. You got to fix them locally.
Okay.
Reconditioning engines and heads here on different things we got. Rebuilding a set of cylinder heads here. Cutting all that out, welding all new rockers in, and then we'll be painting.
What do you love about your job?
I love being able to fix things. I've always been able to take things apart and fix things. I love being able to help people. Somebody broke down on the side of the road, I'm the person who can stop and help them and advise them how to get it off the road or fix that right. The sense of accomplishment. You're bringing something in every day that's broken and you're repairing it and fixing it. So it's definitely a rewarding job in that sense.
Okay. After that, I've learned that this career is very collaborative, very hands-on, and very math involved, but I believe it's something I'd look into. Thank you for joining me.